Yeah. Look at my boobies.
Oh, okay. Let's see. We gotta zoom in. We gotta zoom in, baby. No. Keep that shit up. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh God. I need to hit that tent. I need to hit this tent. Oh man. This tent right here.
What we have here, folks, is a tent. It's a two-person tent used for those who just cannot resist masturbating any longer, or for people like me and June that wanna.
You're ready to get your ass kicked, buddy.
Yo, me and Jeff are gonna use the two-person tent for about 10 minutes now.
All right.
Pardon us. We're about to get it on.
I gave him some love juice.
Yeah, baby. Show me the love.
How do we open it?
Yo, look at Jeff's ass. Oh man, look at that tight ass right there. Show me that tight ass, baby. Show me that tight ass. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Woo! Oh my goodness.
Excuse me, everybody. Pardon us, but me and Jeff are going into the two-person tent. We'll be back.
This camping trip has officially entered the next energy level.
Woo! Oh my God. It's so big.
Oh.
And pointy.
Have that shit. Oh.
You guys done? That was only a second and a half.
Yo, he is amazing.
Yo, Massimo, you're even quicker than usual this time. Oh man.
Whatever.
Yo. So how was that tight ass? Tell me how that tight ass was.
Oh my God, Jeff's ass is to die for.
Oh shit.
You want to see my butt plug?
Oh yeah, let me see that shit. Oh, here's that butt plug. Oh yeah.
No matter how old I get,
I took my pants off. You can really see the butt plug.
Oh, what am I seeing?
No, seriously, get ready to get your ass kicked.
All right, yo, you're on camera now. So what's your story?
I got chips and vodka.
Chips and vodka. What's your name for the record?
That's all you need.
For the record, what's your name?
Victor Mylans.
Victor Mylans. So you're here to get your ass fucked up?
Yo, it's Victor with a K. It's not V-I-C-T-O-R, it's V-I-K-T-O-R.
Got it, man.
Alright, V-I-K-T-O-R.
Victor, what's the shirt you're wearing? Let's check out the shirt.
I don't know,
There's some crazy shit on your shirt, man. So what are you doing here? You lost your campmates?
I think so.
Oh, bummer, dude.
Show them all the mess. Show all the mess.
So we woke up this morning. Well, we didn't wake up. We didn't sleep. Look at the beautiful mess. It doesn't look too bad. We hid all our food, so the bears want to come eat us. And everybody's just sleeping in there. Massimo, June, and Christina and Jeff have been sleeping all night. There's a tent that no one wants to go into.
This uses the same chord. Hola, ¿cómo estás? That's really quick. La soledad se abraza a mí. La guidad no cambiar su mirar. La soledad se abraza a mí. La guidad no cambiar su mirar. Amor, no me olvide que yo aquí solo quedé pensando en ti. La soledad se abraza a mí. La guidad no cambiar su mirar. La soledad se abraza a mí. La guidad no cambiar su mirar.
Christina, we're gonna go to the beach.
We are?
The game plan is to eat lunch at the beach. If the sun comes out.
It's coming out.
Bean? What about Jeffrey Bean? He's got a nice ass. He's with that girl Christina, and I'm gonna kill her so I can have him all to myself.
It's supposed to be Jeffrey, not me.
I'm supposed to what?
Think about Jeffrey, not me.
Let's see.
Jeffrey Bean's a fucking genius. Jeffrey Bean's a fucking genius. Jeffrey Bean's a lazy bum for sleeping. Still. He's lazy just like Heather. But at least Heather got him once. Jeffrey Bean is a lazy bum for sleeping still. Thank you very much.
Check this out.
I got one here for a second.
Montreal burgers, baby. That's the way it's done. Bye, bye, bye. Oh, oh. I'm Mr. Knight. Right. Hey, baby, come on.
Let's see it. Take it off.
Alone.
Oh boy.
Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Struck by a smooth criminal.
He does that good.
You killed it.
This is a great dude.
Remember, say
Do you like his new stuff? No.
I only like Johnny all the time. You didn't get the
Only
new
like
album?
Michael when he was black. Yeah, exactly.
After he went
The
white,
new
he started
album is
sucking.
awesome. You gotta get it. I like it. I'm just saying.
That was on camera, great.
I don't know where my favorite though.
She says, I am the one.
No, no, it wasn't. My favorite was the one with
But the chair is not. This is fucking hilarious,
Oh wait, no, we have to have all of us being like the people who like walk in, like the dancers, the group dancers.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see you in moonwalk.
Beat it.
Moonwalk.
Beat it.
Moonwalk. Oh, there it goes. Did you get it? Macho man. Best line of the song right now.
So,
Beat it. But you wanna be bad, so beat it. Beat it. Beat it. So good.
This is
Massimo, quick monologue, Massimo. Massimo, quick monologue.
As I'm doing, as you can see, I'm roasting marshmallows on a two-pronged pitchfork. I have chocolate that I will mix with these marshmallows to make s'mores, which I will then eat and enjoy. I've been having a great time at this barbecue, and I've achieved a level of fun never before thought possible on the planet Earth. And that's due to time.
Tom, what do you guys say? Quick, 1 minute left.
Nice day, nice weather, good trip.
Jeff,
Tippity, what a tea.
Christina,
Good night.
June.
Yo, this trip, I give it a cocks up. 2 cocks way up.
2 cocks way up. Julianne Moss.
Thank you, God, buddy.
Final comments?
Oh, good times all around. Glad to be here.
A plus.
Right on.
This trip was an A plus.
We got to burn styrofoam.
And we got to talk about Star Wars.
We did get to
Star
talk about
Trek.
Star Wars. All
It
the
was
stars.
wonderful.
That closes out Harmony Ridge 2002.
We love you,
It was fun.
parents.
Yeah.